guys, welcome to the adventure. Today we're going to be going over some simple, quick tips on how to keep the dash clean. If you don't know who we are Simple Livin, husband and wife team truck drivers, taking life on the road and making it a little bit more simple and feel a little bit more like home. And we're best known for making our semi into a micro tiny house. Today we're going to be going over some really quick tips on how to keep the dash clean, because it is impossible not to get some crumbs and different things like that in between all of the cracks buttons are. So that recently had a leak in the air ride seat, and we installed one of these great gadgets. It blows airs. It's amazing. Even if you don't have a leak in your air ride seat, you might want to put one of these in because it's awesome. It's really easy to blow the truck out, get all the crumbs out initially, and then you're going to go ahead and use some slime. I know you guys hate this. Pick this up at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, and it comes in a little putty can usually. So get some of that slime, and then also the Norwex microfiber cloth, and all you have to do is use water to clean this. So first, let's go ahead and get these crumbs out, and then deep clean, get some more crumbs out, and wipe everything off. Here we go. So you saw how quick and simple that was. It didn't take much time at all, but it really got some of those crumbs, dirt particles, dust, things like that out of those small cracks and crevices. Once again, we just used the blower, got out the big stuff right away, and then we went through with the slime, and I already put it back in here. It has little crumbs in it, and you can use that a couple times, and then just got the microfiber cloth wet with some water and the spray bottle, wiped everything off. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the tips. Keep it clean, stay safe, and enjoy the adventures. Bye.